So the next one is open leg rocker prep, and you'll notice that my guinea pig has disappeared because he keeps falling over, so I'll have to demonstrate this one to you myself. So to start in the right position, let's just make sure there's nothing behind you in case you do fall back, so just make sure you're clear. And you want to bring yourself into a balanced position, so you're just on the back of the pelvis. Now this in itself is an exercise, you know, it's hard to just sit here and balance. So for open leg rocker prep, you want your hands on the outside of your knees. So I'm just going to turn towards the camera quickly. In fact, I'll stay in this position. So you have your legs over here. So notice my elbows are wide. I'm not holding myself into a little ball over there. My toes and my heels are together. So from here, you're going to straighten one leg up, bring it down, straighten the other leg up, bring it down, and have a go with two if you can do two, and take it down. So we're going to do it from the side as well, so you can see what my back is doing. This is quite a funny little move because you want your pelvis to be slightly tucked under, but you want your chest to be out. So over here, you're going to start off one leg out and the other. Paul's looking at me with envy. And then both legs. Very good. And then down. Now, if you haven't got the best of hamstrings or you've got tight hamstrings, you can just hold them to the side and take your legs out over there and take it out over there. Because just balancing and moving your legs is still working your core. So that is open leg rocker for you. It leads on to one of the classical moves, which we'll be doing later.